Hello and welcome to another Let's Study video of the Let's Study series on programming principles and practice using C++ 3rd edition. In this video, we're going to quickly cover the terms and definitions at the end of chapter 2. I have alphabetically organized all the terms provided in the term section, and then my own definition for these terms. Not that they're perfectly correct, but rather that they are my best efforts. My best first efforts. So I'll just quickly go through them so we can move on to more exciting stuff. So we have the not equals operator, which is the not equality comparative operator, which is it is true, evaluates to true if both operands are not equal, else false. Assignment operator used to assign a value to a variable with the equal sign. Then we have the double equal sign, which is the equality comparative operator. Evaluates to true if both operands are equal to each other, else false. Then we have the plus plus operator, which is the increment operator, which increments numerical values by not 10, but by 1. Then we have the less than comparative operator, evaluates true if left operator is less than or comes before alphabetically. Else false. Then we have less than or equal to comparative operator, which evaluates to true if left operator is less than or equal to right operand. Else false. Greater than comparative operator evaluates true if left not operator, we want operand is greater than or comes after alphabetically. And the right operand, else false. And And finally, we have the greater than, that greater than equal to comparative operator, which evaluates to true to true if the left operand is greater than or comes after alphabetically and the right operand, else false. Alright, that completes all the comparative operators. We have assignment term, which I define as setting a variable to a value. We have the auto term, which is a data type defined by the data type what is that noise? I hear something. Something in the vents. Okay, so we have the auto term, a data type defined by the data type initializing value. Okay, no. A data type defined by the initializing values data type. For example, auto x equals 10. X's data type is int, since 10 is a integer literal. Integer data type. And integer data type. Okay, then we have the cin. We have the cin term, which is a standard library object used to get input from the user. Then we have concatenation, which is the combination of two strings into one. And then we have conversion, changing from one type of value to another. Then we have declaration, which is a specification of data type and a variable name. We have the decrement term, which a numerical value to be decreased by 1. Okay, so let's change this to a phrase or a word or a verb, I'm not sure. To subtract 1 from a numerical data type. You hear that, right? What is that? Something rubbing against something on the mic. No? I can't find it. Let me get the chopper. Okay. Okay, we have the decrement to subtract 1 from a numerical data type. We have definition term, which is the initialization of a variable to a value. We have the double, which is a numerical data type representing floating point values. We have the increment, which to add 1 to a numerical data type variable. I'll update the decrement definition as well. Okay, then we have initialization, which I define as the first assignment of a value to a variable. Then we have int, which is a numerical data type representing integers. What is that noise? Is it that? No. My chair? It might be my window AC unit that I turned off creaking as it heats back up or cools down, whichever is occurring. Or it's my chair, but honestly, I feel like I could replicate it pretty quickly just by shifting my weight. And I'm being distracted. Well, I don't have a lot of time before I need to get some more sleep. Okay, so we have name, which is a list of characters that starts with a letter, contains no spaces or special characters, underscore is allowed, that is used to reference an object. We have narrowing term, which is a conversion from a data type to another with a smaller range of values. Okay, another data type with a smaller range of values. Or precision is what I'll say as well. Then we have the object, which is a location in memory with a set data type. And we have operation, which is a defined action on a data type, possibly with another data type. On / with. We have an operator, which is a special set of characters with a defined operation. Then we have string, which is a data type comprised of an integer value containing the number of characters with an associated list of characters. Set of characters. We have truncation, which is the removal of some data from it's not set, list. And we have truncation, which is the removal of some data from a variable. We'll say a value. We have type, which is the defined mapping of bits to a set of values with a set of defined operators and operations. We have type safety, which is using only defined data types with defined operators, safe from non-deterministic behavior or data loss / truncation. Yeah, it's data loss. We have value, which I believe best defined by a set of bits associated with a data type, representing some idea. Such as the number 0, number 9, whatever. Oops, sorry. Then we have variable, which is a named object, simple as is. And then we have widening, which is a conversion from a data type to another data type with a larger range of values or precision. All right, I think that covers all the terms for chapter 2 of Programming Principles in Practice using C++, 3rd edition. I'll see you in the next video, perhaps tomorrow after I get a little bit more sleep. Thank you for watching, and have a good night. You will see this PDF I'm going to export right here in the description below in a Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and see you around.